Okay, so we're carrying on the discussion on council approvals for your house, whether you are altering your house or you want to build a new house from scratch. And we've got Motlati Tau, who was chatting to us. Um, he owns a turnkey solution company that offers everything from design to costing to actual construction. So I'm just waiting for him to join the live so that I can then connect with him and continue the conversation. Okay, just hold on a moment for him to join again. Okay, much better.
Hi, great stuff.
Okay, so in terms of building in an estate or a complex versus standalone homes, are there any additional technical things that they need if it's a complex?
100%. Look, a complex is obviously a larger development. So therefore, your applications to the council will not be obviously for just one specific piece of ground. So that area that you want to cover with the state will then have to undergo what we call a zoning application. So based on what that land was planned for, because obviously we have a land zoning plan especially for metropolitan cities, Bloemfontein and others. You'll have that. So basically, you'll have to submit an application to use that specific area for residential use. Then after submitting the application, if it's approved, you still need to then speak to the right people. So you'll speak to an architect again. He will get his team together, team of engineers. So obviously, the services that are going on to this new development, it's different disciplines. So maybe the geotechs, your engineer, your sewers, all of that needs to be incorporated into that. Then the application process will start again once all the drawings are ready and the client is ready to pay, which is going to be a bit hefty if it's an estate.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah. So basically the process doesn't differ much, but it's just maybe the difference is the amount of money you pay and the land zoning
process,
which is not always applicable to single or freestanding houses.
Yeah. Okay, and then I think lastly, just to touch on post-construction now and getting the building inspector in. I don't know, does that apply to houses as well? Does the building inspector need to come and look at my finished house?
Yes. Once again, it depends. It depends on where the house is located. For example, if we're looking at Bloemfontein, for example, a house that is built in Lily Vale or Olive Hill will have a different inspector, different inspections done to it compared to a house in Rocklands, for example. So the council, meaning the governance of the area, they are the ones that are responsible for all. But there are instances where the NHBRC has to be incorporated to make sure that the building standards are according to them, based on the specific area. So they also have a map on which, certain structures need to be built in a certain standard, and they keep it up. So it depends on the location once again.
Yeah. Okay. No, I think that pretty much covers this topic. It was nice and quick. I think next time we may tackle something different in the whole design construction process. So just lastly, where can people find you? How do we look up PG Engineering?
All right, PG Engineering, since we are still brand new, we are still on Facebook. We have a Facebook page. We have I think 500 followers for now. And you can find
a lot. Yeah.
We're trying. You can find us at PG Engineering sa@gmail.com. You see, still on Gmail. You can find us on WhatsApp, 082 735 8107. Then for calls directly to my line, that'll be 066 488 9889. And anywhere else on the social platforms, PG Engineering. That's what's happening.
Okay. No, that's awesome. Keep up the good work and keep building your knowledge, because I think in construction things are always changing. Personally, I always sit at work meetings and think to myself, oh no, I didn't know that. But it is nice, and that's how you grow and you build your professional portfolio. Yeah.
100%. Thank you for having me.
No problem. And I'm sure we're going to have another chat soon.
100%. Thank you very much.
All right. Cool. Have a nice evening.
You too. Bye-bye.